Good morning, children. So, children, we are practicing maths from the lesson number 6, that is division. Till now, children, we have learned how to do divisions. We know that while we sharing anything, while we distributing anything, at that time, this division actually help us to do the proper calculation. Okay, children? We have learned how to divide the numbers. Yesterday we have learned that how to divide numbers. Even we have learned that how to solve the word problems of division. Even children, we have learned how to find the division by using the number line. So children, today we will learn the division with remainder. Okay. Yesterday I told you division has 4 parts. That is dividend, the number which I will divide, divisor, by what number we will divide, answer, that is quotient, and in some division the number may be not exactly divisible. At that time there will be some remainder. Okay, so today children we will learn how to find how to do such kinds of divisions with remainder, and with the quotients how to find the remainder. Okay, children, so let's go see what is written here. Divisions with remainder. We have 21 balls. How many balls? 21 balls. Let us try to put them in 4 boxes equally. So see children, just let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, there are total 20 volt. Now, they try it what? They try to distribute in 4. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. So, see children, each box they put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 ball they put in each box. Here also 5, here also 5, here also 5. Means 4 box are filled up with the 5 ball if we equally distribute it. But still one ball is left. This ball is known as remainder. Means if I want to distribute these balls among the boxes, then equally if we want to distribute, then there will be one extra. This extra is known as remainder. Okay, children, so this one ball is left over. So 21 divided by 4 is equals to 5 and 1 left over. Why 5? Because see, each box there are 5 balls. They get the space 5 ball in each box. Okay, so 1 is left over. So we can say that 21, 4 5s are 20. So from 21, if we subtract 20, then is 1 remainder. 21 we need to divide it by 4, and if we go through the 4 tables, that is 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. Now these children, 24 is more than 21. So we cannot subtract from 21 to 24. Further reason children, we need to go with 4 5s are 20. So that is only they written here that 4 goes 5 times into 21. Subtract 20 from 21 and 1 is remainder. So children, by that way we need to solve this division. Okay children? See children, next also I will show you. See children, 4 is called divisor. Okay, 4 is called divisor, that I told you. 5 is called quotient. Okay, 21 is called dividend, and 1 is called remainder. Means dividends need to divided by divisor so that we get answer quotient, and if there are any leftover, it is known as remainder. Please children, don't forget this term, because until unless you will not leave the maths, even when you are in a 10th standard also, still you have to follow these. So what are the terms of the quotient, terms of the divisions? The number which I will divide is dividend. By what we will divide? It is divisor. The answer we get is quotient, and the which is a leftover is known as remainder. Okay children, so now let's go and solve these following problems. Okay children, so children, let's go and solve it. Say divide and find the quotients and remainder. Okay, so one they have done. See, this is 26. This is what? This is dividend. Need to divide by 5. Now go through the 5 table children. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So 30 is more than 26. For that children, they are going with 5 fives are 25. So they subtract 26 from 26 to 25 and answer they get 1. So quotient is 5 and remainder is 1. Understand children? Now next one also we will solve the same way. Okay. So see children, 56. So let's go. 56 is a dividend that we need to divide by 6. That is 6 is divisor. So let's go. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. 60 is more than 56. So 6 nines is 54. So we need to go with 9. So here I am writing 9 and here I write 54. Now we need to subtract. So from 6, 4 is subtract, that is 2. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 9. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Understand children? Now next one. Next one is, that is 45. Okay. So 45 we need to find it. So how we will find? Let's go. Go for the 6 tables again. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. 48 is more than 45, so we go with 6 sevens are. 6 sevens are is 42. So 42. So from 5 if 2 is subtracted, answer is 3. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 7 and remainder is 3. 45 is a dividend and 6 is a divisor. Now next one. Next one will be your homework that you will solve by yourself. Now again do this one. 7 tables. So 58 is a dividend. 7 is a divisor. We need to divide 58 by 7. So let's go for the 7 tables. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 63 is more than 58. So we need to go with 7 eights are 56. So from 58 if we subtract 56, answer is 2. So what is quotient? Quotient is 8 and what is remainder? Remainder is 2. Okay children. Now next one, that is 75. If we divide 75 by 8, so what should be the answer? Go for the 8 tables, that is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. So 80 is more than 75. So 8 nines are what? 8 nines are 72. So from 75 we need to subtract 72. Answer we get 3. So quotient is 9. Remainder is 3. Understand children? 75 dividend, that need to divide by 8 divisor. Okay children? Now the next one. Next one is 46. So again go through the 7 tables. That also your homework. Okay. Now next one, 9's table. So 39 is a dividend, that need to divide by 9. 9 is what? 9 is a divisor. So go for the 9's table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. Now 45 is more than 39, means we need to take with 9 fours are 36. So here I write 4 and here I write 36. So from 39, 36 is subtracted. Answer is 3. So what is quotient? Quotient is 4. What is remainder? Remainder is 3. Understand children? Now the last one. Again 7 tables we need to go and find nearest 36. Okay. So 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 36. 7 six are 42. 42 more than 36 means we need to go for 7 fives are. 7 fives are is what? 7 fives are is 35. So from 36, 35 is subtract means 1. So quotient is 5. Remainder is 1. Dividend is 36. Divisor is 7. Understand children? Okay children, now let's go. 76 need to divided by 8. Okay. So again go through the 8 tables. That is 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 80 is more than 76. So we need to go with 8 nines are 72. So from 76, if 72 is subtract, answer is 4. So 76 dividend, 8 is divisor, 9 is quotient and remainder is 4. Understand children? Now the next one, 7th table we need to go to find nearest 61. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63. So 63 is more than 61. So we need to go with 7 eights. So 7 eights is 56. So 7 eights is 56 means what it will be? It will be from 61 if we subtract 56, that 1 become 11 and 6 become 5. So answer is what? Answer is 5. So 61 dividend, 7 is divisor, 8 is quotient and remainder is 5. Understand children? Now the last one. This is very easy. We need to divide 19 by 3. So go for the 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. So 21 is more than 19. We need to go with 3 sixes are 18. So 3 sixes are 18. From 19, 18 is subtracted. Answer is 1. Quotient is 6. Remainder is 1. 19 is dividend. 3 is divisor. Okay children. Now children, here some tick the correct answer. 63 can divided by 9 leaves a remainder, no remainder or 8 as a quotient. What should I do? We need to here only do the division. So we that understand 63 is a dividend, 9 is a divisor. So go for the 9 tables. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63. Yes, children, we found that 63 totally divisible by 9 and 7 is a quotient. So 8 is a quotient wrong. Our remainder also wrong because no remainder. So no remainder, only correct one. Understand? Because 0, already 63 minus 63 is 0. There is no remainder. Next, 76 equals divided by 9 gives what? Which one? So to find the quotient and remainder, we also need to find the division. So 76 need to divided by 9. Now again go for the 9's tables. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81. So 81 is more than 76. So we need to go with 9 eights are. So 9 eights are 72. As we subtract 70 from 76 to 72, answer is 4. So what is the quotient? Quotient is R 8 and remainder is 4. Quotient is 8, remainder is 4, means second option is correct. Understand, children? Now next one, that is 19 need to divided by 2. What should be the correct one? So we also again divide 19 by 2. Now we need to go for the 2's tables and find it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So 20 is more than 19, means we need to take 2 nines are. 2 nines are is 18. So 18 from 19, 18 is subtracted, answer is 1. So quotient should be 9 and remainder should be 1. So last option is correct. Understand, children? But without solving or without doing the division, it is not possible to find out what should be the correct answer. For that, children, in the site only we have done the division. Understand, children? So children, today we have finished that lesson number 6 completely. That is, we completed divisions. We have learned the divisions, how to do with remainder, without remainder, different terms of divisions also. We have all these things learned today. Okay, children? Right now we will solve some more problems so it will easy to understand. Okay, children? So let's go for it. See, children, number 1 is 31 need to divide by 5. So go for it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. 35 is more than 31, so we need to go for 6. So if we go for 6, 6 is right up. We need to subtract from 30 to 31, 1 is remainder. So 6 is quotients and 1 is remainder. Next, 10. See, 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So children, here this is completely divided by 5, means there is no remainder. Okay. Now next one, 21. 21 need to divided by 6. So go for the 6 tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So 24 is more than 21, correct? So we need to go with 3. 6 threes are 18. So from 21, if we subtract 18, answer is what? Answer is 3. Means 3 quotients, 3 remainder. Okay. Now next one. 38 need to divided by 4. So go for the 4's tables. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. 40 is more, means 4 nines are 36. So 9 is quotient. Now from 38 8, if we subtract 36, then answer is 2. So 2 is remainder. Okay, children. Now next is 20 need to divide it by 6. So go for the 6 tables. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. 24 is more than 20, so we need to go with 3. So 3 is a quotient, 20 is subtracted by 18 and remainder is 2. Okay. Now next one, 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 is more than 4, so we need to go with 1 only. 3 ones are 3. So from 4, 3 is subtracted, 1 is remainder. So 1 is also quotient and 1 is also remainder. Okay. Now next one, 29. 29 if divided by 6, then what should be the answer? 29 is if divided by 6, then go for it. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. 30 is more than 20. So we need to go with 6 fours are 24. So from 29 if we subtract 24, answer is 5. So quotient is 5, remainder is 5. Quotient is 4, remainder is 5. Okay. Now next one, 23 if divided by 4, what should be the answer? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. So 24 is more than 23, so we need to go for 4 fives are 20. So from 23 if 20 is subtracted, answer is 3. So quotient is 5, remainder is 3. Next, 44 is need to divide subtracted by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. So 45 is more than 44. We need to go with 8. So 5 eights are 40. So from 44 if 40 is subtracted, answer is 4. Means quotient is 8 and remainder is 4. Okay, children. Now next one, that is last one, 33 need to divided by 6. So again go for the 6 table, that is 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 six are 36, 36 is more than 33, so we need to go with 6 fives are 30. Okay, children. So as it goes for the 6 fives are 30. So from 33, 30 is subtracted. Answer is 3. So quotient is 5. Remainder is 3. Okay. Now this one. So 39 we need to divide it by 4. So again go for the 4 tables. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. So 40 is more than 8, so we need to go with 4 nines are 36. So from 39 if 36 is subtracted, answer is 3. Means quotient is 9, remainder is 3. Now the last one, that is 29. Just right now children, I could tell you 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. 32 is more than 29, so we need to go with 4 sevens are 28. So from 29 if 28 is subtracted, answer is 1, means quotient is 7, remainder is 1. Understand, children? So as soon as you practice the maths divisions a lot, you will understand it easily. Okay, children? So children, right now I will give you the homework. Homework is these two. Okay, 42 and 46. This one is your homework. Okay, children? So you solve it in your textbook only. So children, bye. Take care.